Indoor plants not only enhance the aesthetics of your living space, but also contribute to a healthier and more enjoyable environment. However, maintaining thriving houseplants requires more than just occasional watering. We'll explore 10 essential tips to ensure your houseplants not only survive, but thrive, bringing vitality and beauty into your home. 1. Light matters. Understanding the lighting needs of your houseplants is crucial. Low light, medium light, and bright light. Place plants accordingly, ensuring they receive the appropriate amount of sunlight. Rotate your plants occasionally to promote even growth, and be mindful of their response to seasonal light changes. 2. Water wisely. Overwatering is a common issue for indoor plants. Develop a watering routine based on the specific needs of each plant. Check the soil moisture before watering, and allow the top inch to dry out between waterings. Ensure proper drainage by using well-draining pots and saucers to prevent waterlogged roots, which can lead to root rot. 3. Choose the right soil. Selecting the right potting mix is vital for the health of your houseplants. Different plants have varying soil preferences. A well-draining mix that retains moisture without becoming compacted is generally ideal for most indoor plants. 4. Temperature and humidity control. Maintaining consistent temperature and humidity levels is essential for houseplant health. Most indoor plants thrive in temperatures between 65-75 F 1824 C. Keep them away from drafts, heating vents, and sudden temperature fluctuations. Consider grouping plants with similar humidity preferences together or use humidifiers to create the right environment. 5. Feed regularly. Houseplants require nutrients to thrive. Use a balanced, water-soluble fertilizer to feed your plants during the growing season, spring and summer. Avoid over-fertilizing, as this can lead to nutrient imbalances and damage to the plant. 6. Prune and groom. Regular pruning and grooming are essential for encouraging healthy growth and maintaining the shape of your houseplants. Remove yellowing or dead leaves, trim leggy stems, and pinch back growing tips to encourage bushier growth. Pruning also helps improve air circulation and reduces the risk of pests and diseases. 7. Proper potting. Repotting your houseplants when they outgrow their containers is crucial for their well-being. Choose a pot that provides ample space for root development and has drainage holes. Refresh the potting mix during repotting to ensure your plant has access to fresh nutrients. Repotting is best done during the growing season. 8. Pest prevention and management. Keep a watchful eye for signs of pests, such as spider mites, aphids, or mealybugs. Regularly inspect both sides of leaves and the soil surface. If pests are detected, treat them promptly with natural remedies or insecticidal soap. Isolate new plants for a few weeks to prevent introducing pests to your existing collection. 9. Understand plant needs. Each houseplant is unique, and understanding the specific needs of your plants is key to their success. Research the care requirements for each species, including light preferences, watering frequency, and any specific concerns like susceptibility to certain pests or diseases. Tailor your care routine accordingly. 10. Monitor and adjust. Observation is a crucial aspect of successful houseplant care. Monitor your plants regularly for any signs of stress, discoloration, or changes in growth patterns. Adjust your care routine based on seasonal changes, plant growth, or any issues that arise. Flexibility in your approach ensures that you can provide the best care for your houseplants. Creating a thriving indoor jungle requires a combination of knowledge, observation, and a genuine love for plants. By implementing these 10 essential tips, you can create an environment in which your houseplants not only survive but flourish. From understanding their unique needs to providing the right light, water, and nutrients, you'll be well on your way to enjoying a lush and vibrant indoor garden. Happy planting!